interesting.
Driven by the absolute powerhouse that is the AMD R9 5900HX processor, this laptop right here might just be the device you need to elevate your creativity and productivity. But as always, it's no fun for anyone if we just sit here and talk about it. So let's get this up on the bench and see what this machine here is really all about. Straight out of the box, the first thing that jumps out is that sturdy premium feel that you get from devices which make an emphasis on high-level build quality. The design language is pretty consistent with what we have seen from recent Asus devices that show off that chevron stripe detail that you can see over here. And we've also got this 3D Asus Vivobook logo on the back here with that same chevron style detail. It's all about vivid, vibrant, and accurate colors with the frameless three-sided nano edge display, which effectively downsizes the overall footprint of the device without sacrificing the screen size. We can see that this is a 15.6-inch OLED panel that can reach up to 600 nits of brightness in HDR mode. The display is Pantone validated. It's good for 100% of the DCI P3 color gamut, and it has a 1,000,000:1 contrast ratio. Another really cool addition to the front of this display is this nifty little privacy shutter here that blocks off view of the webcam whenever it's not in use. And that's something that's always important when it comes to personal safety and privacy. A quick look at the ports, and we can see that on one side, we have the audio jack, micro SD slot, USB-C, HDMI, and USB 3. And on the other side, we have two USB 2 inputs. Now, Asus have never really been ones to skimp on performance, especially within the Vivobook lineup. So it comes as absolutely no surprise at all that they have continued to push for supreme performance by adding in the AMD Ryzen 9 5900HX processor. With 8 cores, 16 threads, and a max clock speed of 4.6 GHz, the 5900HX most definitely lives up to the statement of supreme performance with infinite possibilities. This particular one right here comes with 16 GB of RAM, 512 GB of SSD storage, and a 4 GB NVIDIA RTX 3050 GPU. So, with the Vivobook Pro, we have the horsepower and the performance to create, produce, play, learn, and explore, all within a compact and mobile device that can go anywhere you need to go. And all made even better with Windows 11. Because life and work are busy enough as it is. So with features like widgets, for example, in Windows 11, you could zero in and focus on the things that matter to you the most. To round out the feature set on the Vivobook Pro 15, we've also got a highly efficient dual fan cooling system that utilizes Asus IceCool Plus technology to keep things cool and quiet, ensuring you have maximum performance anytime, anywhere. When it comes to audio, your favorite games, movies, and songs are all brought to life because the Vivobook Pro 15 is backed by an Armin Kardon certified sound system, delivering that crispy immersive audio. Due to the increase in remote hybrid working and things like video conferences taking up a big chunk of our workday, Asus has introduced an AI noise cancelling technology that employs machine learning to isolate unwanted noise from human speech. The Vivobook Pro is vivid, it's vibrant, and it's truly ready for anywhere. Your workplace, your realm of creativity should be wherever you want it to be, and with a feature set like this, the possibilities are truly endless. It's good, right?